Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we will dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, while the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $79 United States dollars. This price difference raises questions about the features and performance you can expect from each model. Let's explore if the higher price of the EASYERA is justified by its capabilities. In terms of ice production, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker boasts an impressive capacity of 33 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice in the same time frame. While both machines are capable, the EASYERA offers a bit more for those who need higher ice output. Both the EASYERA and Sweetcrispy ice makers come with self-cleaning features, which is a significant advantage for users looking for convenience. The EASYERA Nugget ice maker offers soft, chewable pellets, while the Sweetcrispy provides two sizes of bullet ice. This feature comparison highlights the different types of ice each machine produces, catering to various preferences for ice texture and usage. In conclusion, both the EASYERA Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The EASYERA offers a higher ice production capacity and unique nugget ice, while the Sweetcrispy is a budget-friendly option with solid performance. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.